Hi, haven't made the decision? No worries, a panoramic camera is a good choice for you. Probably you want to see what you will see before you buy it. Follow me. 180-degree panoramic camera provides you two modes, original mode and stretch mode. Original mode looks weird, probably you don't like it, but stretch mode makes it more like the view your eyes see. You can pan, tilt and zoom the image. Wow, a 360-degree panoramic camera sounds more funny. It supports not only original mode and stretch mode which 180-degree camera supports but also VR mode. Under VR mode, it can be seen as a bucket, a bowl. Anyway, play it as you like. Have you made your decision?